Let's read and spell the words. A key. Key. K-E-Y. Key. A kite. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. A leaf. Leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. A frog. Frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. F-O-U-R. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Let's listen. It is a sunny day. Kelly's family is having a picnic in the park. Some people are flying kites. Kelly sees 4 kites. No, 5 kites. Kelly has a kite too. Mrs. Lau puts her bag under a tree. She takes out some sandwiches, apples, and water from her bag. There is a key. Mrs. Lau asks Kelly to pass the key to her. Kelly gives Mrs. Lau her kite. Mrs. Lau points to the key and laughs. "Not the kite, the key," says Mrs. Lau. Look at Tony. What is he doing? He is looking at a leaf on the grass. The leaf is moving. What is under the leaf? Tony picks up the leaf. There is a frog. K. 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 Let's say the words that begin with the K sound. K. K. Key. K. K. Kite.